Looking for the perfect laser level but tired of confusing specs and mixed reviews? In this video, we're ranking the top laser levels from weakest to the absolute best so you know exactly which one fits your needs and budget. Let's start with the most basic option on the list, the Amazon Basics model. This little gadget is the kind of tool you grab when you just need a simple leveling line without breaking the bank. It's lightweight, compact, and honestly, great for light indoor tasks like hanging pictures or installing shelves. Where it stands out is in its simplicity. The 360-degree rotating laser makes it surprisingly versatile for a budget pick, and those backlit bubble vials are a nice touch for visibility. If you're someone who only occasionally needs a laser level, it definitely gets the job done. But of course, simplicity comes with trade-offs. The range tops out at about 16 feet, and it doesn't have any self-leveling feature, which means you'll spend some time manually adjusting it. Plus, the beam isn't the brightest, especially in well-lit rooms or on textured walls. This one's ideal for casual DIYers, people who just need a quick and affordable solution for small indoor jobs. If that's you, this might be all you need to start. And remember, you'll find links to all the products from today's review at the best prices in the description below. Next up, we have the Prexiso PLV2. It's a solid step up from the Amazon Basics model and brings a bit more functionality to the table. The crossline feature is its biggest upgrade, projecting both horizontal and vertical lines for better alignment flexibility. This one's really handy for everyday projects around the house. Think tiling a backsplash, aligning cabinets, or even setting up wallpaper. It runs for over 8 hours on just 2 AA batteries, which is pretty convenient, and the compact size makes it easy to store or carry. However, while it adds more functionality, it still has its limits. The accuracy is modest, the laser beam is red rather than green, and the range is short compared to professional-grade tools. There's also no automatic self-leveling, you'll have to manually adjust for accuracy. If you're a homeowner or hobbyist who wants a practical, easy-to-use tool without fancy bells and whistles, this one's a great middle ground option. And hey, if you're finding this breakdown helpful so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews every week. Now, stepping things up in durability, we've got the Cordon ML200G. This is a rugged, industrial-style laser designed to withstand the kind of environments that would make cheaper models panic. It's IP67 rated, which means it's fully dust-proof and waterproof, and that's something you rarely see at this price point. The green laser line is bright and crisp, stretching up to 100 feet in optimal conditions. It's perfect for workshops, cutting applications, or construction spaces where you need a long, clear visual line rather than multiple beams. It's also USB-C powered, so you can plug it straight into a portable power bank and keep working all day. But it's not perfect. It doesn't self-level, and it's not meant for layout or crossline projects. Think of it as a precision tool for alignment, not a multitasker. Also, while the line is very visible, you'll still lose clarity outdoors in strong sunlight. This one's built for professionals or serious DIYers who value durability and straightforward alignment performance. If you work in dusty, wet, or workshop environments, the Quarton is an absolute tank. Now we're getting into the heavy hitters. The Alloyman JGY-002 is what I'd call a serious all-rounder. It's a 4-plane green laser, meaning it projects full 360-degree lines both horizontally and vertically, covering the entire room from floor to ceiling. The accuracy is impressive, about 1 millimeter at 5 meters, and the green beam is much easier to see indoors compared to red lasers. It also runs up to 12 hours on rechargeable lithium batteries, so you won't be scrambling for replacements halfway through a job. The included tripod, remote, and magnetic mounts are thoughtful touches that make setup easier. Of course, with all that versatility comes a bit of bulk. It's heavier, and the self-leveling range is limited to 3 degrees, which isn't ideal on uneven surfaces. It's also not as rugged as higher-end models, though the IP54 rating gives it decent dust and splash protection. If you want professional-grade features without the premium price tag, this is your guy. It's great for remodeling, flooring, framing, or just about any detailed indoor construction project. Finally, we have the top of the line, the DeWalt DW089LG. This one's the gold standard for professionals who need pinpoint precision and durability on the job site. It's built like a tank, with an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance, and the construction quality feels solid right out of the box. The 3 full 360-degree green lasers cover the entire workspace, making layout tasks incredibly efficient. Whether you're doing framing, electrical, or drop ceiling installation, this tool gives you accurate reference lines in every direction. And with pulse mode, you can pair it with a detector to extend the range up to 165 feet. If there's a downside, it's mainly the size and weight. It's heavier than others, and battery life is about 3 hours per charge. But considering the performance, accuracy, and reliability, it's more than worth it for professionals who depend on their tools daily. For serious contractors or anyone who wants the best performance and build quality, the DeWalt stands out as the ultimate choice. It's the kind of laser level that makes every job easier and faster. And there you have it, 5 of the most talked about laser levels ranked from entry level to professional grade. If you want to check out any of these models, make sure to look for the links in the description below for the best prices available. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews coming soon.